this is Harry J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use properly Logitech Capture software. If you have bought any camera from Logitech, could be Logitech StreamCam or any other webcam from Logitech such as Logitech c920, c925 or 30, whatever, you can use this application. Is very handy. You can control your cam, the color, light balance, other things. Is very good. So without any further ado, let's go to my notebook. You can see I have a Windows machine, beside I have iMac. So whatever you want to use this software, you can use in iMac, in Windows, in MacBook, whatever you want. See Logitech Capture, this application, you have to go to Google Chrome and type Logitech Capture. Hit enter. It will take you to the Logitech software, the website of Logitech. Product, I'm not interested. Support, downloads, go there and capture, put here Logitech Capture. Here we go, Logitech Capture. Download now, hit this one, hit keep. Hit 2 times for install, yes. Let's wait. Install Logitech Capture. Share. I say no thanks. I just want to install. Let's see. The Logitech Capture install is done. So what I do, I put here Logi, and here we go. I hit this to start. Okay, I hit this button to go to next layer. You can do so many things. You can record with this software. Sign in to create an account. I'm not interested. Hit cross button. Camera is not available. If it shows, hit this icon and try Logitech StreamCam. Harry is here. So how we can use Logitech and how we can get. So for getting, you can go to website and you can get that. So how we can use. Here is the source. You have to decide which one is your camera. So after selecting your camera, for example, I select this one, is done. You can see frame rate and exposure. Which one will be principal for you? You can decide frame rate, more important, or exposure. After that, bright light correction. You can off this one. You can see the light correction is doing nothing. If you put that correction, it will correct the light source. I have a lot of light because I'm shooting with DSLR. You can see that. Then you can change the source of sound, then dual, mono or stereo. After that, image stabilization, you can select. Is a good option. You see, if you do that, I'm more closer. I prefer more manual. This is better, the wide skin. Auto framing, you can activate. You see auto frame. I don't like this, so whenever you move, camera will frame you. How I'm doing, I'm moving here, auto framing, you see, is good though. For example, I wake up and searching me, so this is auto framing. You see how it's working, auto framing. I come more forwards, go backwards, it follows me somehow, I think. Okay, I'm here. Now it finds me. So this is good option. Pause this one, auto framing. Now go down, autofocus is activated. I think I put autofocus here. Let's see, searching me my face. Anywhere you see how I'm moving, it's finding me autofocus. That is working fine as well. After that, white balance, I hope this balance you, the color is more yellow something. I prefer with this color. After that, image setting, I hit this one. You have more option, you have brightness, contrast, other things you can manage whatever you like, wherever you like. See this one, whatever you can manage anything from here of this one. After that, anti-flicker, so you do not flick. You see here you can choose the hertz, 50 hertz or 60 hertz, the flicking of your device, your display of this one. Chroma key, I don't know exactly what is this. Okay, you can change the color option, balance, all that. Okay, if you want to do different thing you can do here. Advanced setting, I have this one, so I'm normal setting and I put advanced setting. The camera is flipping as a mirror direction. You see horizontal flip source. See, the camera is a mirror now. I put this as a normal view because normally when you're in camera they are mirror. But if you put this option, you look exactly. Vertical flip I have here too. Let's see, I change vertically, turn back. So you have so many options, you can play with them. Here you have more option. One, no sources, you can connect more cameras. I think here these sources is telling you. And here you see one recording button. You can record. I start recording the screen, you see. So you can record yourself also with this software. I pause this one. After that, you can take a picture. I take a picture. Let's see. So you can take a picture. Let's see. This is a folder where the videos and the picture are stored. So you can go and see the picture. Let me open here. See, here we go. Not bad. And the video. So you can record yourself also with this software. Good quality video, HD, I think. Not bad. The microphone option, you can decide on and off the microphone. The volume. So many things you can do. You have day mode and night mode, you see. This is night mode dark, day mode white. So many things you can decide and select by this software, Logitech StreamCam. If you want to know more about this software, write me in the comment section. I will make more video about it, about this cam. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.